How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTch SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over some of our TIR versus MultiColor Linear color options, and I'll be using our Striker and MultiColor Virtue dash lights for example. So first up here, I brought our Striker 1. Now you'll notice with our TIR that you do have solid, half-half, and alternating color options to choose from, but for example here is our Striker 1 in green. And then moving over here, I brought our MultiColor Virtue 1 in a green clear color setup. Now you'll notice on our MultiColor Virtue color options that your lights will flash back and forth between their primary and secondary colors. And for example here is green clear. And you do have the ability to run your primary and secondary colors individually using our dual memory functionality as well. And then moving to the middle here, I brought our Striker 2 in an amber color setup, but we do offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid and half-half color options. And that's our amber Striker 2 for example. And here I brought our MultiColor Virtue 2 in an amber clear color setup. Now again, you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between amber and clear. So both of my modules are amber clear modules, and they're flashing back and forth between their primary and secondary colors. And we do offer that unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor options for any application. And then moving over here, I brought our Striker 4 in a red-blue half-half color setup. Now we do offer our Striker and Virtue 4 in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups in TIR in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, but for example here is a red-blue color setup. And then below that one, I brought our MultiColor Virtue 4 in a red-blue color setup as well. And you'll notice on my Virtue 4, it is running back and forth between red and blue. And again, we do have amber, red, blue, green, and clear color options for any application. And that is for our MultiColor Virtue 4. And again, you do have the ability to run your unit in your primary and secondary colors individually by using the dual memory functionality. So let's go over that. So for example, on my MultiColor Virtue 4 in red-blue here, I went ahead and programmed a red color flash pattern in Power Mode 1, and then I went ahead and programmed a blue flash pattern in Power Mode 2, so I can easily swap colors if I need to between my primary and secondary colors. And again, we do offer our MultiColor Linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor options. So you'll see between our TIR and MultiColor Linear color options, we do have lights for any application. So make sure to check out the product demos and use our interactive players on the product pages to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.